So LinkedIn gave me these incredible cards and I turned them all into a content engine with over 6,500 unique content ideas. So you never have to run out of content ideas ever again. So a couple of weeks ago, Adobe invited me to the MAX conference in Los Angeles, and it was an amazing experience. And while exploring the event, I found my way to the LinkedIn booth and had a conversation with one of their reps who handed me these physical cards. Now these guys are incredible. Basically, what he said was, I'm not supposed to tell you guys this, but this is a recipe for content that can blow up on LinkedIn. And honestly, I love them so much and I want to share it with you guys. But I only had one deck and I couldn't share the physical cards with everybody. So I had an idea. I figured out a way that I'm going to share with the world. Here's what I did. Since I'm an AI guy, I always had to figure out a way to bring AI into the conversation. So I took photos of every single card. I uploaded everything inside Gemini and let the AI extract all the text and turn everything into a clean spreadsheet with all the content on the front and the back neatly laid out. Then I carried that information, I took it to Adobe Express, created a template and connected it with a spreadsheet. Now in Adobe Express, with just one click, I used the Express Bulk Create feature to populate my template with every single card's content. And just like magic, in a few minutes, I was done redesigning over 50 cards. Don't you just love AI? After that, I organized everything inside Milanote, grouped them inside cards, color-coded them, and built a really clean, creative workflow. And I gave it the name Pick, Play, Create, which is the name of the cards that LinkedIn handed me. But now, why does any of this really matter? Why? Well, because for me and everyone else, if you're watching this video, you probably find it really hard to get good content ideas these days. Everything feels repeated, everything feels done before, and it's even harder to find ideas that work on specific platforms while feeling fresh, new, and engaging. Well, that's where these cards come in. And here's how they work. There are two types of cards, the content prompt card and the challenge card. And to use them, you have to pick one content prompt card and one challenge card, combine them, and that becomes your content idea for the day. So this one says, share your red flags, and this one says, interview yourself. So now I'm going to share my red flag while interview myself. That's crazy innovative. Now the deck has about 31 prompt cards and 21 challenge cards. And that means you can generate about 651 unique ideas instantly. If you have any idea what permutation and combination is, that was the formula I used to derive the combinations. But here's the kicker. If I draw 2 challenge cards and 1 content prompt card, all of a sudden I can get over 6,500 idea variations. And if you want to build a full content series out of these cards, we are talking about billions of combinations that will give you instantly new ideas. Well, I'm getting too geeky. I'm done redesigning the entire content deck and I'm going to give it away for free. And if you want the download link, comment PPC and I'll send it to you. Oh, and yes, I'm actually working on something even bigger around this concept. So you never, ever have to worry about content ideas ever again. Stay tuned and thank you to LinkedIn and Adobe for making this possible. And not to mention the incredible Gemini for making the text extraction a breeze. Don't you just love AI? I'll see you tomorrow.